Oh, hey. I'm just reading this book. It's by a local author. You've probably never heard of them. I mean, if you really wanted to know more, I guess you could come to Indie Author Day on October 13th at the Dallas Public Library. You could, meet local authors, maybe even the one who wrote this, and, do some writing, figure out how to get your book published. Who knows? Maybe you could even end up on the library's local author shelf. I guess if you're not done with your book, I heard about this thing called NaNoWriMo. That's National Novel Writing Month. The library will have rooms open for people to write in all month with more workshops. You should come by if you want.